at the size of that thing, bro.
What's a Cajun koala bear?
I can't tell you the secret.
No, I'm not gonna fucking jump in, dude. I'll talk to you later, dude. Are you at my house? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Okay. All right, bro. I'll talk to you
You on
later.
the phone with strangers at your fucking house?
Yeah, it's my fucking brother, man.
Call 911.
Yeah. He's my airboat guy,
Call
dude.
911. There's a guy in your goddamn house smoking your weed and shit.
Later, dude.
Dude, the gator's looking right at you, bro.
Wow. It wants food, bro.
It wants fresh meat, man.
You want to feed him a sandwich?
I'll feed him a sandwich.
Come on. Feed him a sandwich, bro.
It's a big sandwich.
I heard they like, Landon, I heard they like virgin blood, bro. Go in there. That's actually on that one.
eat him for sure.
It's so funny, bro.
He likes hot dogs?
He knows where that food is too.
It's just the size of the head.
Oh, I think it's massive, bro.
That's so cool. That.
Bro, imagine,
What do they call that?
when
When
one of those
is it called the death roll?
Pick up on you.
The
Death roll when
is
they
when
grab
they
him
grab
and
him and spin.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you don't want that to happen.
Yeah, I'm putting my feet closer.
Tuck him in, bro.
Put some peanut butter on
What's up, buddy?
Right there, huh?
Yeah, he's smelling Landon.
Ring finger.
So cool.
No, man.
I don't know about that, bro. We got a fucking gator.
Look at his tail coming over here.
Yeah, it's wild.
It looks awesome.
Sweet, I camp out here.
This is a big boy.
Dinosaur
I
skills.
mean, I shit my pants camping
Come
out here.
Every stick
Come on.
breaks.
Yeah, fuck that.
God, look at the sun on the side.
That's a big one.
That's so sweet.